Right now I will quickly show you all box accessories of Redmi Note 14S. So let's real quick open up this box. As you open this one up, right here we can find the place for our phone, and this basically is the box with all of these accessories. So let's take this one out, and there are all of these contents. We can put this one aside, and here we can find the SIM tool or the SIM pin, whatever we call it. And as we open up this box right here, we can find this protective case right here, which is kind of black or grayish color. It looks the same as all of these cases, protective cases, which Xiaomi provides with the phones. Right here we can find some documents like the Redmi Quick Start Guide and warranty card and the safety information. And the last thing right here is the charging cable, which has Type A and Type C USB connectors, as you can see right here. And that will be all about these box accessories. There is no charging adapter included with this phone, and we can also find this information on the back of the box itself right here, that there is no charging adapter included, and it is recommended to use from 10 to 50 watts charging adapter. So that would be basically all about these box accessories of Redmi Note 14S.